guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal, but if you are new here, what's up? So as you can tell, this is going to be another one of my TJ Maxx and Marshalls get ready with me videos for this look right here. It is mainly going to be using Kat Von D products that I have gotten from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. This video, I'm also doing it in Spanish for like the first time. If you guys want to watch this video in Spanish as well, it'll be somewhere in the video or like down in the description box below. No more chit-chatting. Let's just get on into the makeup look. First, I'm gonna add some chapstick just because I like to do that. I don't know, before I do my lipsticks and stuff, so I just do it while I'm doing the rest of my makeup. This is the Lipstick Queen Belle Nude chapstick. I'm actually using my Kat Von D mirror today, which I love. I got this for Christmas or my birthday from my sister. For primer, I don't have anything from Kat Von D, so I'm just gonna go in with this Burberry one. It is beautiful. It is Nude Radiance Fresh Glow Luminous Fluid Base. It's the #1, so it's like the lighter one. I really want to use my fingers, but this is gonna happen, I guess, so just do like a few pumps. Feels so hydrating. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Stila Day All Day Foundation. I have 2 different colors because I'm not really sure which color is gonna look best on me. This is my first time trying these out. I have the color Tone and I have the color Caramel. And it's like really hard to like tell like the color through there. Try this other color. This one is in Caramel. I think this is the darker. Oh, it looks like Caramel is gonna be a little bit better of a color. Let's just see this color. Oh gosh, I hate when I like mess up my foundation color, but okay, we are just gonna go in with this guy. So far, it's feeling really nice. I just got it all in my hair. I kind of like this color. I'm trying to like blend it down my neck too though, you know? Oh wow! It's not like the most full coverage. Like I can definitely still see like some of my dots through it and my freckles. So I'm just gonna go in with the lighter color since I already like pushed it out as my concealer. I do like using concealer or foundation as my concealer because I feel like it's kind of like the same thing and it like just sometimes like mixes all together nicely, you know? Okay, so I'm liking this. I'm digging it. I can get down with this. I could drive with this, you know? Oh my gosh, if these colors turn out to be like amazing, yeah. Kind of a lot, I feel like. Whoa, it's really lightening it up. Oh my gosh, I actually love how all this feels. I wasted so much foundation. So I'm gonna bake under my eyes. I did like set the concealer. I do have the loose powder from Kat Von D. Sorry, my phone. From Kat Von D. So this is just the Lock-It setting powder. It's in the translucent. I do actually really like this to just bake under my eyes. The concealer did crease slightly under my eyes though. So to set the rest of my face though, I do have a powder that's not from TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so I'm kind of cheating. Love using this to like set my face because it just works. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. It's in the color 30. It's the medium deep, but it's a good color for me. So I'm just gonna use this one. So I'm just gonna put this, I usually put this, oh, that was kind of a lot. I didn't like shake it, like tap it off. But I just oh, hold up. I didn't cream contour. For my cream contour, before I get carried away, I'm just gonna go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Cream Contour Palette. This is still newer to me, so I haven't even touched it yet. I think I'm just gonna go in with this color right here and try this out. I'm scared. Oh, okay. So like nothing. I'm gonna try to go in with this one because that one was looking kind of grayish. If not, we're just gonna go in with the third one. Okay. It's very gray. Oh. It's so gray, and now I feel like I have to do it to the other side too. We're gonna try the other instead. That one's a little warmer, so I'm just gonna put it kind of at the top. I'm only gonna use this one then and see how this goes with my cream contour. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my face like I normally would. And then I'm just gonna blend it in. Yes, the nose looks dirty. I feel like it's not blending out. This is really though just for like a base for the rest of my contours. So I don't know why I'm getting like so hype about it. already put the Maybelline powder all over to set my face. It's looking pretty bland right now. For powder contour, I'm obviously gonna go back in with some more Kat Von D. This is just the Shade and Light palette. This is an obsession. But so I'm gonna mix both these colors right here and just kind of go over the same spot where I just did like the cream contour, basically to kind of set it. I'm just gonna add some more setting powder right for like the bake and also right under my contour. I'm actually gonna go in with like one of these Sonia Kashuk brushes, just like a line, and add the darkest color just to the very top of my contour. For my eyes, I'm obviously going to go in with the Kat Von D palettes. I have the Shade and Light Glimmer and just the regular matte version. Obviously, I'm going to start with the regular matte. I'm going to go in first with the color, what even is this? Lazarus? This is like looking kind of gray also, so I might need to go in with a different color. I think it's the color Latest. I'm gonna put this all on my lid on top of that color just because I'm hoping this is gonna look a little better. Yeah, that's more what I wanted. And so I'm just gonna put this on my lid also with the other colors. We're just kind of building this up a little bit. I kind of want like a simpler look on my eyes and a really nice pretty brown smoky eye, which right now it looks crazy. I'm gonna focus this one on my outer corner and like lash line really close to my lash line. So I think I'm gonna use the other side of this brush, just like a pencil, like a liner. And I don't want it to be too harsh. I want it to like really blend nicely on the lid. And so after I go in with that, I'm just gonna kind of blend it in this outer corner a little bit more and down to the bottom. And I'm just like really blending this in around the edge. I could not figure out what was wrong with my face for the life of me. I hadn't done my eyebrows yet. So now I have eyebrows. So I'm just adding a little bit more of that dark brown under my lash line. And so I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, which I guess is in the color Ludwig. I'm gonna put this right under my eyebrows just a little bit to blend out the edges and to add a little bit of a highlight. How close this side is to the color. Go all around the edge of it. Now, with the Glimmer palette, where's Quartz? Copper. I'm gonna use that color. I think it's copper. I'm just gonna put it on my inner corner. Oh, I'm gonna go Bye Bye Bake actually. For lashes, I'm gonna go in with the Lily Lashes Sephora collection. These are in the style Mykonos. I have my lashes on, so now I'm gonna do my setting spray. I should have done this before adding my lashes, but I wanted to make sure that I do it before I put my mascara on so that I don't like totally mess that up. For the setting spray, I'm just gonna go in with Glam Glow Glow Setter Makeup Setting Spray. Where is it? My lashes, they come off. There's a little bit of creasing around my mouth, but that usually happens with foundation. It sucks. For blush, sticking with the Kat Von D, I do have two of these. Shade and Light blush, so the two-tone blushes. I have Samson and Delilah, which is this one, and then I have Sid and Nancy. How about this one? I'm gonna try to use the darker color only, really. Oh. It's a little bit more pigmented than I honestly expected it to be. I'm going in really light. Nice. I'm gonna add my mascara. I'm just using the Marc Jacobs mascara. This came from like a set. It's a Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I'm gonna put these on the top and bottom lash line. And so for highlights, some more Kat Von D. This is just the Metal Crush highlighter palette. I'm just gonna add this to my usual highlight spots. And I'm actually using the color Gamma Ray. Really glittery. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this action. I'm gonna actually use something different because the glitter factor in this is kind of intense. It's like glitter. It might not be looking as bad on camera, but like looking at it, I just see chunks of glitter. Instead, I'm just gonna use one of my bricks by Makeup Revolution. Cheating, I didn't get this from TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but I know you can find Makeup Revolution stuff there. So yeah, this one is the Shimmer Brick in Radiant. This is like my favorite. I love it so much. Basically, just gonna use these top colors though. Oh yeah, that's what we want, girl. Now for the lips. So first I'm gonna take off some of this chapstick. I only have one Kat Von D lip liner that I got from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. It's just this one. It's the Everlasting. And I'm putting just a little bit in the corner also. It has like a little bit of glitter in it. It's super pretty. Ooh, it looks way more copper, like red. Ah! That is it for this makeup look using the Kat Von D products mainly.